This video is for introducing customer how to set the all-in-one EEPROM controller. Firstly, I will show you how to set the clock. You can press this button. Press it again until it flashes. Then you can adjust it. Then also could press it again. And finally press this one for sure. Then the clock is already adjusted. Then some customers want to set the hot water set point temperature. As the menu showed, it is the digit set 1. The setting range is 25 degrees to 60 degrees. Then you can press this one. Press it again. It shows set 1. Then press. Set to 50 degrees. Then press it for sure. Then it is already set 50 degrees for hot water set point temperature. Then some customers may want to set the time on and time off. Then you can press this one. Press it again. Time on. Then set the time off. Then press it again. It already set the time on and time off function. If you want to cancel this function, you can set the time on and time off time at the same time, such like 9 o'clock and 9 o'clock off. Then it already canceled the time on and time off. That's all. Thank you for your watching.